Hello again everyone, Lucas with 1194 video. Today I want to show you a chin spooler that I ordered. This chin spooler here, it's for the 99 to 04 style Mustangs, Mach 1s. I actually ordered this for an 03-04 Cobra. So I ordered it for the Mach 1, but I'm putting it on the Cobra, and I've already checked it and it does fit correctly. It's Icon Motorsports, and this particular piece right here, I ordered it on eBay. It was $47.99 from Expert slash tuning, or the little comma, not a comma, but the little slash whatever mark. But I ordered it from Expert Tuning on eBay, $47.99. If you're interested in purchasing one of these to make your Mustang look pretty sweet, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got out of the box. So here's some. I got some screws for install, and here it is. The finish on it is actually kind of a slick finish. So probably what I'll do, I'll get a Scotch-Brite and go over this finish to make it dull. But there's no holes pre-drilled in it. And it actually gives you the self-tapping style screws. But that right there will make your Mustang look pretty sharp. They say to sit it out in the sunlight, let it heat up to form before you put it on your bumper, and then you'll start with one side, make sure it matches in the corner, and then screw it along the bottom, make sure that the front sits flush with the bottom of the front of the bumper. But that's the chin spooler. That's my recent purchase. The chin spooler was $47.99 from Expert Tuning on eBay, and this is not for an 03-04 Cobra, but you're going to be paying $200 or $300 for a stock Cobra lower chin spooler. And this just looks cool, you know, kind of like the Mach 1s. And the Cobra bumper, of course, on the bottom has the little flanges, and you can actually place that right inside the flanges. And just pop it right down inside there. And just like so. And that actually sits just like the original one would. And of course, this comes with supplied screws. You can put it on and screw it all the way down. And the only reason it doesn't look shaped right now is just because it's just sitting on there. But paying the $47.95 for a chin spooler for the Mach 1 beats paying $200 for a factory Cobra one all day long. I purchased a car that's been wrecked, and this is one of the things I needed to make the car kind of stand out. So I appreciate you guys watching my channel. Stay updated. I'm going to be doing another reveal on some more parts that I've ordered and show you where I got them and let you know how much they cost. But thanks for viewing, guys.